Manitobans may need to learn to live with the effects of COVID-19 even after the current pandemic has run its course, according to Manitoba's Deputy Chief Provincial Public Health Officer, who gave a glimpse into what a post-pandemic normal may look like for Manitobans. In post-pandemic Manitoba, we will see public health guidelines, not orders, said Dr. Jas Atwal at Monday's COVID-19 update. We won't be reporting daily case counts and our health system won't be overrun by a single cause. We have the power to make this happen through vaccination. But we will have to remember that the virus that causes COVID-19 will likely continue to be present in our communities even after the majority of Manitobans are fully vaccinated. Load error. We need to learn to live with COVID-19 like other respiratory illnesses. We need to assess the risk and determine what activities are comfortable for us and where we may need to take more precautions. Individuals who are at greater risk of developing severe illnesses or spend time with those at greater risk should carefully consider how they interact with others, Atwal said. They may have to continue to take additional precautions such as masking and physical distancing, especially when uncertain of other people's vaccination status. Public health officials reported 37 new cases on Monday after 106 cases were announced over the weekend, bringing the total number of lab-confirmed cases in Manitoba to 57,204. Officials also provided more details on a death reported on Sunday, with the death of a man in his 60s from Winnipeg, linked to the B1.1.7 alpha variant of concern. The total number of deaths in Manitobans with COVID-19 is 1,165. The current 5-day COVID-19 test positivity rate is 3.6% provincially, matching Sunday's rate, and 3.1% in Winnipeg. The positivity rate for Winnipeg was not announced on the weekend, but it was 2.7% on Friday. Of the 37 cases reported Monday, 21 were from Winnipeg and 8 each from Interlake, Eastern and Southern Health. There were no new cases reported in Northern and Prairie Mountain. There are 922 active cases and 55,117 individuals have recovered from COVID-19. 117 Manitobans remain hospitalized with COVID-19, including 36 people with active COVID-19 as well as 27 patients receiving intensive care. A total of 1,265 laboratory tests were completed yesterday, bringing the total number of lab tests completed since early February 2020 to 856,827. A total of 57 COVID-19 patients were transported out of province for care to hospitals in 16 communities in Ontario, Saskatchewan and Alberta between May 18 and June 9. The one remaining COVID-19 patient receiving care out of province was returned to a Manitoba hospital on Friday, bringing the number of returnees to 45. An outbreak has been declared at the Mary Thorarenson Estates Assisted Living Facility in Arbog. The site has been moved to critical red on the #RestartMB pandemic response system. In addition, public health officials are reporting a possible COVID-19 exposure on perimeter flight JV415 from Shamattawa to Thompson from 5:42 to 6:55 p.m. on Friday. G. Dawkins at postmedia.ca, Twitter, at Sunglen Dawkins Dr. Jas Atwal, Deputy Chief Provincial Public Health Officer.